Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making kettle corn. Have you ever been to a farmer's market where they're making kettle corn in a giant kettle? Well, we're going to try making that in our own kitchen today. It has very few ingredients, and we're going to put it together on the stove, and let's see how this turns out, because have I made this before? No, I have not. So let's do this together. I was inspired by this song, Kettle Corn, popping in a big old pot, we're gonna serve it warm. Kettle corn, easy to make, watch the kernels take true form. Oh yeah, they're gonna take true form in the pot with the oil and pop with the sugar. It's gonna be good. Vegetable oil. Drop a few kernels in the center. Turn the heat to medium. Wait until the kernels pop. That will mean that the oil is hot enough and ready for the rest of the kernels. So it takes about 4 to 6 minutes. Pour it in the rest of the kernels and stir quickly to coat them in the oil. We're going to quickly add in the salt and the sugar and stir to combine really quickly. Cover. And then we're going to shake it every 10 seconds until they start to pop. When they start popping rapidly, you gotta shake it the whole time. When the popping has slowed to 2 to 3 seconds between pops, it is ready. Pour into your bowl. Let your popcorn sit for 2 minutes. Break up your kernels, because they will have stuck together with the sugar. So you can sort of break it up. And if you want, you can get rid of the unpopped kernels in here as well. Look at this homemade kettle corn. If you can see, it's shiny on the outside, and that is because of that caramelized sugar. You know, it's all in the taste. Does this match what you would get at a farmer's market? Let's find out. It most certainly does. It is warm kettle corn, freshly made in my own kitchen. Yum! This will not last long. This is delicious. It was so easy to make other than that shaking, but you get a workout at the same time. So again, it works out for you in multiple ways. If I can make homemade kettle corn for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, make for your family and friends, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.